I'm going to start with the back tire driver side, and the penny is in there. I'll try to zoom that in for you and get a clear picture. There you go. There you go. And from there, we're going to move the penny. Just turn that around. Get that. Just so you can see it. All right. Move that forward. Let's go to the other passenger side. Going to the passenger side. Passenger side rear. And we're going to put the penny in. Zoom that in a little. Let's see how we can get this a little closer. Move it up. There you go. That's a good picture. Nice and clear. Okay. And now we're moving the penny to the back. Get that like this. Try to get it zoomed in. And how about we try to get it a little bit closer. There you go. And that is the back rear. So now we're going to move to the front. Move into. All right, y'all. So we're going to continue with the front tire here. Let me try to get some light going. All right, so here goes the front tire. And I'm going to put the penny, turn the penny around. First of all, let me zoom in. Okay, get the penny around. Get a close-up on that. Try to get that. There you go. And then we're going to put the penny right there so you can get a close-up of that. See if I can get it leveled. Okay. So that was the front passenger side. Zoom out, front passenger side. Then we're going to go around to the front. See if we can squeeze through here. Around to the front. And again, this is the driver's side. So we're going to zoom in from the driver's side. And penny. Sorry, that's my hand. Get the penny. All right, can you see that there? Penny, all right. And right here. So we got that one, and we got that one. And then I'm going to back up and zoom back out. All right, so we got all sides now, guys. All right, hopefully that's good. Thanks for watching.